Okay, children, now we will see new grammar lesson statements and questions. Okay, statements and question. So, let us start. Open page number 48. Read the sentences. Before learning the lesson, we have to read some sentences. Okay, the dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. Pia swims well. Pia swims well. The snow falls softly. The snow falls softly. Zena waters the plants. Zena waters the plants. Zena जो है वो plants को water कर रही है. Okay. So these sentences tell us something. They are called statements. Statements and end with a full stop. Statements mean क्या होता है? The sentences who is giving information to us. जो हमें कुछ information देते हैं. For example, the dog barks loudly. Dog कैसे bark कर रहा है loudly. Pia swims well. How swims Pia? She swims well. The snow falls softly. How the snow falls? Softly. Zena waters the plants. Zena is watering the plants. This information we are getting from these sentences. जिस sentence से हमें information मिलती है वो होते हैं statements. And statements end with a full stop. Means at the end of the statement you see full stop. Statement के end में क्या होते हैं? Full stop. Okay. Now read the sentences. Now read this type of sentences. Where did you go? Where did you go? Question mark. What is your name? Question mark. Where do you keep your books? Question mark. Who cooked the dinner? Question mark. Okay. In this question, you will see these sentences are asking something. इस question में क्या हो रहा है कि कुछ तो पूछा जा रहा है. Asking something. So they are called questions. Means if in this sentence, if the information has been asked, अगर उसमें कुछ आपसे information पूछी गई है तो वो होते हैं questions. Okay, तो ये हो गए questions. And questions end with a question mark. Questions end with a question mark. Question के end में क्या आता है? Question mark. Okay, where did you go? कहाँ गए थे? What is your name? Where do you keep your books? कहाँ पर बुक रखे हैं? Who cooked the dinner? That means who cooked the dinner? Okay. So this is the statement and question mark. Okay, student. Now we have to solve the question number first. State whether the sentences are statements or questions. Statement means the sentences which is telling us something or which is giving us information, and they end with a full stop. उसके end में क्या होता है? Full stop होता है. These are statements. And the sentences which are asking something or asking information to us, they are called questions, and questions end with a question mark. So first is Akbar and Anna are my friends. Definitely this is giving information to us and it ends with a full stop. So it is a statement. Where is my teddy? कहाँ पर है मेरा teddy? At the end see question mark. So it is a question. ये question है. Now see on page number 49. Father cooks on Sundays. Father cooks on Sundays. Full stop. Statement, because this sentence is giving information कि father Sunday को cooking करते हैं. How are you today? How are you today? It is a question. So write question. See question mark होगा तो question है. Full stop तो statement है. If the information is giving, then it is a statement. And if the information is asking, then it is a question. Is this your cap? Is a question. Mahua runs very fast. How Mahua runs? Very fast. So it is a statement. Have you been to Maldives? Have you been to Maldives? That means आप कभी मालदीव्स गए हो और एक क्वेश्चन मार्क भी है इसमें. So ये क्वेश्चन है. I like salads and milkshakes. I like salads and milkshakes. मुझे salads और milkshake पसंद है. Full stop. So it is a statement. Which one is your pencil? Which one is your pencil? तुम्हारे पेंसिल कौन सी है? It is a question. My friend and I like playing chess. My friend and I like playing chess. कि मुझे और मेरे फ्रेंड को चेस खेलना पसंद है. And full stop. So it is a statement. याद रखो जिससे हमें information मिलती है. If the sentence is giving और टेलिंग अस समथिंग, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट. एंड में फुल स्टॉप है और वो हमें कुछ बता रहे हैं तो स्टेटमेंट. एंड इफ एट द एंड इंफॉर्मेशन इज आस्किंग और अगर यू सी क्वेश्चन मार्क, सो इट इज अ क्वेश्चन. Okay. Now in the next question, put a full stop beside the statements and a question mark beside the questions. Now you have to identify whether it is a statement or whether it is a question. Statement means I told you the sentence which is telling us something or giving us information, that is a statement. कि जिस सेंटेंस से हमें कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है वो सेंटेंस. एंड इफ द सेंटेंस इज आस्किंग समथिंग और आस्किंग इन्फॉर्मेशन, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. जिस सेंटेंस में अगर कुछ पूछा गया है तो वो हो गया क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज द कैट जम्प्ड आउट ऑफ द विंडो. द कैट जम्प्ड आउट ऑफ द विंडो. इन दिस सेंटेंस they are telling us something कि कैट ने कहाँ से जंप किया, आउट ऑफ द विंडो. सो इट इज अ इंफॉर्मेशन. they are giving information, so it is a statement. So at the end, full stop. where did Cinderella find the pumpkin? सिंड्रेला को पंपकिन कहाँ मिला था, ये हो गया क्वेश्चन. so put a question mark. the garden is beautiful कि how is the garden? the garden is beautiful. and give full stop. the doctor will see you now. the doctor will see you now. डॉक्टर आपको अभी देखेंगे. दिस इज द इन्फॉर्मेशन. द डॉक्टर विल सी यू नाउ की डॉक्टर आता तुम्हाला बघतील. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस देन वी आर गेटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही है. सो दैट इज वाई इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट. व्हाट हैपन टू द पप? व्हाट हैपन टू द पप मीन्स उस पपी को क्या हुआ. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. Okay, this is a question. We play hockey in school. We play hockey in school. हम स्कूल में क्या खेलते हैं? हॉकी. Did you enjoy the tea? Did you enjoy the tea? This is a did you enjoy the tea? Did you enjoy the tea? That means have you enjoyed the tea? क्या तुमने टी एंजॉय किया? यहाँ पर इंफॉर्मेशन पूछी गई है. This is a question. I have found my lost dog. I have found my lost dog. मेरा खोया हुआ डॉगी मुझे मिल गया. So it is an information. So this is a statement. What did you have for breakfast? What did you have for breakfast? कि breakfast में क्या खाया था? So it is a question. Which of these books did you like the best? Which of these books did you like the best? इनमें से तुम्हें कौन से books best लगे? Okay. This is a question. So in this way we have to solve the questions. Only one thing keep in mind. If the sentence is telling something, अगर उसमें से कुछ information मिल रही है तो वो statement है. And if the information is asking, so it is a question. Okay children, thank you.